children, good morning. We have learnt about the nutrition in animals. I hope all of you would have revised all the lessons we have learnt. Let us revise the topic. Name the 5 steps in nutrition. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. What are pseudopodia? Amoeba moves by extending its body into finger-like projections called pseudopodia. What are the 4 types of teeth in the human mouth? Yes, incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Can you name the teeth in humans that are mainly used for biting and cutting the food? Yes, incisors. What causes tooth decay? Tooth decay is caused by bacteria present in the mouth. Very good. Let us enter into today's topic. What are the sensory organs? The 5 sensory organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes is the sense of sight. Ears is the sense of sound. Nose is the sense of smell. Tongue is the sense of taste. Skin is the sense of touch. What is the organ of taste? Yes, tongue is the organ of taste. Today you are going to learn about tongue. What is tongue? The tongue is a sense organ or muscular organ. Tongue helps us taste food. We have learnt in the earlier classes that the tongue is a sense organ that helps us taste food. If you eat jalebi, how does it taste? Yes, it is sweet. If you eat tamarind, how does it taste? It is sour. What about bitter gourd? Oh, it will be bitter. How can you get all these tastes? We get all these tastes because of the taste buds. We use the taste buds on the surface of the tongue to differentiate between sweet, bitter, salty and sour foods. All must look at this picture. In the first picture, different colors indicate the different types of taste on the surface of the tongue. Let us study about the uses of tongue. Tongue helps us mix food with saliva. What is saliva? Saliva is an extracellular fluid produced and secreted by salivary glands in the mouth. Tongue also helps us roll the chewed food into a ball or bolus. Then, bolus is pushed towards the back of the mouth where it is swallowed. All must look this picture. The green color substance is the bolus of food. Tongue pushes this bolus towards the back of the mouth where it is swallowed. The swallowed food passing through the esophagus. When the food is swallowed, a flap called the epiglottis prevents the food from entering the windpipe and choking the person. What is the meaning of choking? Difficulty in breathing. What happens if food goes down windpipe? When food goes down the wrong pipe, it is entering the airway. This gives food and water the opportunity to get into the lungs. If food or water gets into the lungs, this can cause aspiration pneumonia. So, the epiglottis prevents the food from entering the windpipe. The swallowed food enters a long muscular pipe-like organ called the esophagus that connects the stomach to the mouth. What is esophagus? A long muscular pipe-like organ. Esophagus connects the stomach to the mouth. Then the swallowed food travels to the stomach because of a wave-like motion in the walls of the esophagus called peristalsis. What is called peristalsis? A wave-like motion in the walls of the esophagus. This picture shows a wave-like motion in the walls of the esophagus. Let us study about the digestion in the stomach. Do you know where is the stomach in your body? The stomach is the muscular organ that is found in the upper left side of the abdomen. The swallowed food stays in the stomach for around 4 hours. How many hours? The food stays in the stomach? Yes, 4 hours. What does your digestive system look like? The digestive system looks like a long connected set of tubes and organs. What kind of digestion happens in the stomach? In the stomach, food undergoes chemical and mechanical digestion. Let us study about it. The walls of the stomach. What chemicals do the walls of the stomach secrete? The walls of the stomach secrete digestive juices, acid and mucus. First one is digestive juices. The digestive juices digest proteins in the food to simpler substances. Second one, acid. The acid kills bacteria and other germs that are present in the solid food. Then mucus. The mucus coats the walls of the stomach and prevents it from being digested by the digestive juices. So, the mucus protects surfaces all over our body. Then chyme. The walls of the stomach also contract and relax, thus helping to mix the digestive juices with the food. Then the food is made into a semi-solid called chyme, which is then passed to the small intestine. Let us revise the topic. What is esophagus? A long muscular pipe-like organ called the esophagus. The swallowed food enters into this esophagus. Esophagus connects the stomach to the mouth. What is peristalsis? The swallowed food travels to the stomach because of a wave-like motion in the walls of the esophagus called peristalsis. What do the walls of the stomach secrete? The walls of the stomach secrete digestive juices, acid and mucus. What is the function of the mucus in the stomach? The mucus coats the walls of the stomach and prevents it from being digested by the digestive juices. In the next class, we will learn about the digestion and absorption in the small intestine and also the large intestine. Thank you.